Okay, question 16. Sketch the bending moment diagram for the problem below. Well, we're going to define clockwise as a positive moment looking left of us. Pause the video, do your sketches, find the values, label up any important points of interest they're called, on your plot, and then when you're ready, press play. So here I'm going to use the symbol M or MXX representing bending moment, and we're going to have units of kilonewton meters. Don't forget the meters, quite often easy to forget them. And then at the end here, again, we're still going along the x-axis, so x per meter, so x rather in units of meters. Okay, so 12, 6 either side, and then you want to start drawing your bending moment diagram. So just left of the pivot, we can't see anything left of us, so there's no moment that can be created. So we're going to start off with m equals 0. As we go just past the pivot, well, we can now see a false, but our distance is virtually 0, so we're only going to plot a really tiny value. As we start moving down the bar, we've got going to be at a distance x. We're going to be plotting in effect that x times by that false I can see left of me, which is the 6. So it's going to be 6x I'm going to be plotting. And I keep making my x bigger, so my plot goes up linearly up to basically where just before I hit the 12. Now when I go past the 12, at the 12 I'm going to be 0 distance away from the 12, so that's not going to contribute to a bending moment, but I can then reach my maximum bending moment value. So that would be the 6 false, 1 meter away. So that would be 6 times 1, so that would be 6 kilonewton meters. So I'm going to plot that value on my graph and write it down. And what happens next is that your linear graph now starts dropping downwards because you've now got the 12 here. So then the negative 12 is making the graph come down. So you've got 12 times by x take away 1. And then we can plot those values until we get to the end. And we're going to have m equals 0 at the end there. Only point of interest really I've got is the one in the middle. So let's put that on there. So we've got 1 meter. And well, we can also state that the end is at 2 meters. So I think that's full marks now.